things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been, or the way that things have been, or second things second, don't you tell me what you think that I could be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea, or the master of my sea, or I was broken from a young age, taking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that looked at me, looked at me, shifting me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the. You made me a believer, believer. You break me down, you build me up, believer, believer. Pain, I'll let the bullets fly, I'll let them rain. My life, my love, my drive, it came from. You made me a believer, believer.
Dame un grrr.
¿Un qué?
Un grrr.
¿Un qué?
Un grrr.
¿Un qué?
Un grrr. Un grrr. Un grrr. Un grrr.
¿Un qué?
When you shake it, when I see you go to the my body go wicked. You taste so good like you said
Don't you think it's freaky? We moving slowly, so slowly. I can't wait no more, so hurry, oh hurry. Dame un tu, ta, ta, tu, tu, ta, tu, tu, ta, ta, tu. Dame un
Every day with you has been a gift, from the quiet mornings to the late night talks.
I still can't believe I fell for someone I used to find so annoying because of your corny jokes.
Ready ka na ba? Sa araw-araw na away, charot.
Tanggalin mo man ng makapalali.
Si Lord lang magiging ano natin. Siya lang tutulong din sa atin sa lahat-lahat. Alam natin yan na wala naman tayong hiniling na hindi binigay ni Lord niyan. Napatunayan na natin yan. Dan Juicy! Tawag dyan, Lister!
Thank you so much!
Pagpasensyahan mo na kung ganito ako.
In God's time, ibinibigay ng Diyos kung ano ang para sa atin.
Malaki ka na, naunaan mo pa ako ikasal. You're in the Philippines, so normal mainit. Tiisin mo yan, ginusto mo yan eh. Masaya naman siya kasama kasi overall, at the end of the day, nandun pa rin yung pagmamahala namin dalawa na kailangan namin magsama talaga para sa isa't isa.
Very... nalimutan ko. Hindi, very maalagain. Sweet, tsaka good provider talaga.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
Isa lang naman
Buhay ng gangsta.
Sawang-sawa na ako. Lintik kasi na pag...
Siyempre, mahirap. Lalo na 7 years. Pero siyempre, kinakaya naman through prayer. Kasi lagi namin kasama si Lord.
May time na hindi kami nagkakaintindihan. May time na as in sobrang away talaga. Walang pansinan. Mabot pa kami ng siguro weeks nang hindi kami nag-uusap talaga. Siyempre, hindi ko rin matitiis yun kahit sabihin natin siya may kasalanan or ako may kasalanan. Kahit anong mangyari, ako pa rin magsasorry.
Kahalaga. Siyempre, super. Ang dami naming sacrifices both.
Halos lahat sa kanya ko rin nakuha na na peace, ganyan, maging pasensyoso. Halos lahat kasi parang siya nagturo sa akin.
Communication talaga din. Pag nagka-problem kayo, pag-usapan nyo talaga.
Sa kanya ko na nakita yung buhay ko. Sa kanya ko na naplano yung pamilya na gusto ko maging. Kasi lahat-lahat na ko nung meron ako ngayon dahil sa kanya din.
Okay, dami na ang tao sa paligid, ikaw lang ang pansin. Dumadagdag pa sa isipin.
Niluto ng Diyos ng mabuti ang buhay na inihahanda niya para sa inyo. Maraming nawala, maraming wala kayo ngayon. Pero huwag niyong kakalimutan kung anong ibinibigay ng Diyos sa inyo ngayon.
From this day on, I choose you every day, in all ways, for always. I love you so much, Mr. Rabuya.
I will love you without condition, without hesitation, and without end. Forever starts now, and I'm so grateful it's with you. Thank you.